Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Caesar salad easy. Let's start with the heart of any great Caesar salad, the dressing. Begin by whisking together 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice in a bowl. Then, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil, whisking constantly to create a smooth, emulsified base. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 minced garlic clove, and 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste for that classic savory depth. This fresh dressing makes all the difference. Next up, let's craft some irresistible homemade croutons. Take about 4 cups of day-old bread, cut into 1-inch cubes, and toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Spread them evenly on a baking sheet. Bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. These simple, crunchy additions elevate your salad significantly, providing that essential textural contrast. Now it's time to bring everything together for your perfect Caesar salad. Start by washing and thoroughly drying 2 heads of crisp romaine lettuce. This step is crucial for preventing a watery salad. Tear the lettuce into bite-sized pieces, then gently toss it with about 1/2 cup of your freshly made Caesar dressing. You want to coat the leaves lightly but evenly. Finally, add a generous amount of your homemade crunchy croutons right before serving. To finish your easy Caesar salad, grate a generous amount of fresh Parmesan cheese directly over the top. A good quality Parmesan makes a huge difference here. Then, add freshly ground black pepper to your liking for a little extra zing. Remember, Caesar salad is best enjoyed immediately, so serve it right away to savor that perfect crunch and fresh flavor. For a heartier meal, you could even add 4 ounces of perfectly grilled chicken.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.